Get them going. Sometimes you can get some bigger tricks out of them. So he's just setting up his weight now. He goes his hand, start of his 2-minute routine. Oh, into a nice nose stab, into a tail stand. Going on to the hood. Oh, into a 180 bulldog. Spins it round again, just for a ride out, standing up. Nice stand up, into transitioning straight, keeps the machine upright. Onto the hood, one-handed, 180. Oh, he's trying to get the girls wet. There he goes, 180, 360. Just slightly noses it in. You might need to stick it to them salads a bit, less of the burgers, get a lesson from weight. Nice spin around there, just noses it in. Just you can see him wedging his feet into the foothold now. Quite a fast routine, what's he going for? Oh, into a nice big aerial nose stab. As you can see, the lake's not very deep, so you've got to be careful nosing it in vertically, otherwise you will be coming out with no front nose. Oh, nice bit of a Marriott throw there. See a lot of these riders run their standard Superjet hauls, but then have been modified with regards to poles, hoods. There's 15 seconds left. Looking to get his last tricks in. 180 bulldog. Nice onto the hood there. Seconds left. Will he get it? That's his last routine. And that's Josh's routine. If you'd like to put your hands together for local boy Jay on the